Where's the keys for this van?
That's fire brigade.
In the van.
We've got an ambulance.
This track is banging.
So this week we've had this van in, got a couple of issues with the ghost that was fitted before it came to us, so we're trying to figure out that's why it sounded like an ambulance and fire engine. Josh is cracking on with some new work. We've got a new van in this week. We're going to be doing roof and loads of different work on it, so that'll be a good, nice project. Lovely green, Van Gogh green I think this one is called. Ryan's cracking on, he's getting the roof on for this one. This one's for Danny, so he's over from Derby area as well. And what we're doing is some windows and roof. So Ryan's just fitting the brackets on for that one. And Gary's got a crafter in for a diesel heater today. So quite a full on week this week.
Please fall off.
It's come out really well this one.
Absolutely beautiful, outstanding guys.
This is probably one of the best jobs we've done for a long time.
Just missing the roof.
Just looks so neat around there, doesn't it?
The only way you can have a van like
really
this,
cool.
guys, is if you actually bring us a tidy van. Two-handed Hoover this is, two hands, extensive training, but I've learnt to do it with just one hand. It's powerful. Get yourself on camera, John.
Yeah, it's gonna follow you around now.
Follow me, mate, follow me.
He's the main man now. I don't want to be on it anymore.
I'm over here, Carney. I'm over here.
I'm coming.
Dario, tell him, mate. One-way ticket to jail. Dario, I'm not having this, mate. I'm being distracted from the work.
You can just feel like I'm not here, mate. I'm not here at all.
I can sense your presence, mate. I can feel you creeping up. Right. I saw one of the comments said, I want to see what the cameraman looks like.
No, they didn't.
Yeah,
no one's saying
they
that.
did say that. Give me that camera.
No.
They definitely said that. Everyone wants to see the cameraman. Where's he gone?
Who's the man behind all this?
No chance.
There he is. Now you have to edit yourself in. Are you going to do some kind of like lighting thing, aren't you?
Yeah. Mate, I'm just going to pixelate myself out.
That's a good idea. Like. What's going on, everyone? So we're just gonna start stripping this van down now, and it's a Saturday afternoon. We've got so much work on, we need to catch up, so we're working hard. Here's going to be a little bit of time lapse of what we're going to do, start stripping down, put the frame in, and we're doing this for our good friend Steve. So I hope you enjoy the video of what we're going to do, and yeah, keep watching.